Thank you for purchasing the Trident Bx20SC floor scrubber. Before operating this machine, review the use and maintenance manual and follow all safety precautions. If you need a copy of the manual, you can download it at Hillyard.com. Let's begin by reviewing the machine's main components. The main power switch is located to the right of the handle. Turn the key 1/4 turn to start the machine. At the center of the handle area, the display shows the remaining battery charge and total usage hours. The handle grip activates the pad motor. Squeeze and hold the grip to start the motor. Release it to stop. Just below the handlebar is the emergency stop button. Pressing this button immediately cuts power to the machine. To restore power, turn the key to the off position, then twist the emergency stop button until it releases. To the left of the emergency stop button is the brush removal switch, which uncouples the brush from the machine. Use the foot pedal on the lower right side to raise or lower the scrub deck. On the left side of the machine, a sight gauge shows the amount of cleaning solution remaining. Use the center lever to raise and lower the squeegee. The solution flow control knob is located on the lower left side. Turn the knob counterclockwise to increase the flow rate. To attach a pad to the pad driver, remove the center lock. Carefully center the pad on the driver. Press firmly until the center lock clicks twice, ensuring it will not contact the floor. To mount the pad driver or brush to the machine, first lift the scrub deck. Align the lugs on the driver with the 3 slots on the brush motor. Lift the driver into position and turn it clockwise until the lugs lock into the clips on the mounting plate. Place the squeegee onto the mounting bracket and align the knobs with the slots. Make sure the washer rests on the upper portion of the bracket. Tighten the knob securely, then connect the vacuum hose to the squeegee. There are 2 ways to fill the solution tank. You can insert a hose through the opening in the cap or remove the cap completely and fill the tank directly. If you fill through the cap opening, loosen the cap slightly to allow the tank to vent. Make sure the solution filter is in place during filling to keep debris out of the tank. Add cleaning solution to the machine either by using a dilution control system or by following the instructions on the product label. To begin scrubbing, turn the key to turn on the machine. Lower the scrub deck using the foot pedal and lower the squeegee. Squeeze and hold the handle grip to activate the pad motor and begin scrubbing. Overlap each pass by approximately 2 inches for consistent coverage. This machine is equipped with a float system that protects the vacuum motor. If you hear a change in the vacuum motor pitch or if you run out of cleaning solution, it's time to drain the recovery tank. To drain the recovery tank, remove the drain hose from its holder on the side of the machine. Remove the drain cap and allow the tank to empty completely. Replace the cap securely and return the hose to its holder. When finished cleaning, raise the squeegee. Next, remove the pad driver. To remove the pad driver, turn on the power and lower the scrub deck to the working position. Lightly squeeze the handle grip to start rotation. At the same time, activate the brush removal switch and raise the scrub deck. Rinse the pad driver and allow it to air dry. Remove the squeegee. Rinse the vacuum chamber and clean the blades. Replace the blades if worn or damaged. Allow the squeegee to air dry with the blades off the floor to prevent warping. Drain and flush the recovery tank with clean water. Leave the tank open to air dry. Remove the debris strainer from the recovery tank. Disassemble and clean it thoroughly, then reinstall it. Remove the float cover and clean the strainer if needed. Replace the cover when finished. Periodically, drain the solution tank and clean the strainer. You should do this at least once per month. Position the machine over a drain, remove the strainer, and allow the tank to empty fully. Clean and reinstall the strainer. If the squeegee blades are torn, you can replace them without any tools. Turn the wing nuts and remove the plates that hold the blades in place. Remove the worn squeegee blade. Flip the squeegee over and remove the plates and blade from the other side. When installing the new blades, make sure they are flat against the housing. Reattach the plates to complete the assembly. Before charging, empty the recovery tank. Lift the recovery tank to access the battery pack. Disconnect the battery cable from the machine. Plug the charger into the battery pack, then plug the charger into a wall outlet. It may take up to 12 hours if the batteries are completely discharged. Charge the machine in a well-ventilated area and leave the recovery tank raised during charging. Once charging is complete, reconnect the battery pack and lower the recovery tank. This procedure is for flooded lead-acid batteries. Machines equipped with AGM or TPPL batteries do not need maintenance. Flooded batteries contain acid that can harm your skin and eyes. Always wear protective clothing, gloves, and goggles when handling batteries. If acid contacts your skin or eyes, flush it with water immediately. Keep flames, sparks, and metal objects away from batteries. Charge batteries in a well-ventilated area. Do not lay objects on top of the battery to avoid short circuits. Turn off the main power and activate the emergency stop before starting battery maintenance. Check that all cable connections to the terminal are properly tightened. Inspect the battery cables for cracked insulation. Replace damaged cables. Inspect the battery terminals. Clean them with a wire brush if they are corroded. Inspect the battery water levels before charging. If needed, add just enough distilled water to cover the plates. Replace the vent caps before charging the batteries. Charge the battery pack fully before taking the next steps. After fully charging the batteries, add distilled water to each cell until the level is about 1/8 of an inch below the bottom of the vent well. After watering, secure the vent caps back on the batteries. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, visit Hillyard.com or contact our expert technical service team at 877-445-5927. At Hillyard, we specialize in the repair and preventive maintenance of all major brands of cleaning equipment. With service technicians throughout the United States, we're ready to help keep your machines running smoothly. Contact us today to schedule a repair or consultation.